This is a new 6-ton rollback tow truck available at Midco Sales in Arizona. It's built on a 2024 Ford F750 Super Cab chassis with a 6.7-liter diesel V8. The Jerr-Dan rollback body has a 22-foot steel deck with removable side rails and an 8K winch. And it includes a 3,500-pound wheel lift with L-arms. Aluminum toolboxes are mounted on both sides. I love the race red paint. Perimeter strobe lights are installed around the entire truck, including in the front grille. The Ford Super Cab has 4 doors and cloth interior. Midco Sales is the Jerr-Dan dealer in Arizona. Visit us online to learn more about this truck or see our full inventory.